Wait, how do you actually get on this machine if you use it? In this video, we're gonna be doing leg day. To be specific, our quads and adductors, which is our inner thighs. I'm fully back from retirement and it's a new month, new plans, new strategies, but the same goals. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment on what your favorite part of the video was or what you felt was most challenging to you. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Get it. I find it easier to build into your max limit instead of picking up exactly where you left off in your previous gym session. It makes the transition easier and eases the stress off of your muscles. Even though you do warm-ups before starting, it's still better off taking a few weights off and slowly building into your max. This even gives you the momentum to surpass your previous limit instead of starting exactly where you left off in your previous session. This is something you can pick up if it's not something that you're already doing. Try it next time in your next session. Another thing I could point out to make working out feel less of a task and just more of second nature, I don't really follow sets and reps anymore. I listen to my body when I'm exercising, keeping in mind that I'm still trying to make progress from my previous sessions as I go on. When I'm tapped out, I'm tapped out. I work with time and I still keep track of how many sets and reps I'm doing. This helps me know when I'm actually making progress and when I'm falling back. When I notice that I'm doing more reps than I should be doing, that's when I know it's time to increase the weights.
hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be.
Like here, I just hit one rep and I knew that I was dead.
Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
I don't know if there's a more comfortable way of getting on this machine, but this works well for me and I have no difficulties or struggles doing this. It may look a little strange because I don't really see people doing this. All the videos I've seen, people are already seated in the machine, they're not actually getting onto it. And I can't split my legs that wide open, so this is what works for me.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing.
I met one of the coolest bros who came to ask about my YouTube channel and actually searched it up. Mr. Chen, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for subscribing and I hope you enjoy it here.
Is this your channel? Yeah. You have very good internet. I wish I have those. So you're like a graduate student?
Yeah, I'm a graduate student.
First year?
Yeah, I'm first year. I recently just came to.
I wish they had that age.
Really?
Well, my body, but I have much more body than. Oh, you look like you have like less than 12%.
I've never actually checked it, but it should be less than.
Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy.
When I said I got back from retirement, it's not that I completely stopped exercising or anything. I just got really busy with other things. I know that's a normal thing for many people, it can happen. If you want to see the kind of things I was doing and how I managed to keep myself in shape, you can check out my other videos on how I used to work out at home. And if you'd also like a video on the kind of things I eat and don't eat, you can also let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make another video on that for you guys.
Basic getting sprung.
Squeezing in those last reps is the most important one because that's when you're actually doing the workout and that's when you're actually making the progress. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to drop your comments down below and hit that notification bell so that you're notified the next time a video drops. And check out this video for home workouts when you're too busy for the gym and you're trying to keep yourself in shape.